We used 3D printing technology, made a 1.5 snake sculpture. Instead, in the snake store, remove the sport after painting, then place and assemble. Spray paint after reinforcement and setting. It goes beyond the traditional fiberglass sculpture. We open a store to do business no matter what kind of sculpture put in our door. You can take a picture of the clock in the passing. It's good for business. 3D printing technology can restore more detail of models. The cost is not higher than traditional fiberglass sculpture.